What's up guys, your boy Juan from Trokiando. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I'm here with Adan at Leading Edge. We're here to pick up TKOG2 because the whole new paint job is done, right?
Done.
It's all
nice
done.
And pretty.
Hell yeah. We've only seen pictures, we haven't seen it in person yet. So let's check it out. Let's see what Leading Edge got done on TKOG2. Alright guys, so we're here at Leading Edge Collision with my boy Adan. Just wrapped up TKOG2. As you can see right behind me, it's got that wet finish. Tell everybody what you did to this truck.
When it first came in, it had a bad paint job from before. It was black and they painted it red. Clear coat was peeling. It was two different colors of red, two different shades.
Two-tone red?
Yeah. So we took the entire thing apart, stripped all the bad clear, block sanded all that old red that they had on it, put primer, block sanded that smooth. There was a couple dents and dings that we took care of. After that, 4 coats of clear, block sanded the clear. Nice slick finish, polished it, put it all back together after it was all cleaned up, and here you go, badass truck.
And that was in 5 weeks, guys. It took him 5 weeks to do a full paint job on this truck. Like he said, had that two-tone red. That clear was just flaking off. Got the fog light tinted up, the tail lights tinted up. He detailed everything on this truck, and it's looking really good. You guys need to make sure you get your merch online at trokiando.com because you could be the next winner to be taking home this truck home. Check out the online store, get your merch, get entered, and if you need any kind of paint job, hit up Adan, Leading Edge Collision. He'll take care of you. Just let him know that Trokiando sent you guys. Guys, so you just seen we picked up TKOG2 from Leading Edge Collision. The paint on this thing is freaking amazing, guys. Got that wet finish, guys. It looks awesome. Pictures won't do it justice, video won't do it justice, but hopefully you guys get to see it in person at the show. Talking about the show, we're heading over to Summer Truck Invasion right now here in Ennis, Texas. So hopefully some of you guys seen it there at the show. If not, next weekend we're gonna be heading over to California for Trucking Madness. So we're gonna be in Bakersfield, California next weekend. Y luego the weekend after that, we're gonna be at the Project Tour in San Antonio. If you wanna go, guys wanna go out there, check out the shows, check out TKOG2, and get those entries, guys. One of you guys is gonna be the winner, and one of you guys is gonna be taking home this truck or $15,000 in cash. So shop online at trokiando.com, get those entries. Don't forget, so the TKOG2 shirt and the TKOG2 decal qualifies for 10 times the entry, guys. So let's go to Ennis, Texas, Summer Truck Invasion, and we'll see you guys here in a bit. All right, moment of truth. Let's see this thing move.
Hijo de la chingada.
No se crean, raza. Damn, bro. Oh, God. No se movió para nada.
It smells like fresh paint.
It does, right?
Yep.
Llegó sin ningún rayón. Guys, we're here at Summer Truck Invasion. It's currently the next day, so we're out here cruising TKOG2. Man, this place is packed. A lot of nice trucks out here, so it's gonna take us a while to actually go through the whole place. Let's go out, see what's up out there, and we're gonna show you some of the rides that are out here. So stay tuned and let's go. ¿Qué traes ahí?
La registration.
Registration? ¿Are we gonna get a judge?
Pues sí, güey, we're gonna get a judge. A ver qué sacamos.
Aquí saca algo. 5.7. Pumpkin headers, it's got 40 headers, huh?
Yeah.
You guys got short 40 headers. It's got 30,000 miles on it. Badass, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, bro. Ahí estamos. Like that, guys. Getting judged already. First time coming to a show. Got a judge. Hopefully we win something. I think they're doing top 50, top 75. So hopefully we take some hardwood home to add it to the collection. Y pues vamos a ver. We'll wait to about 6 o'clock a ver qué pedo. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for everyone that came out to the booth today. Got the merch and got the entries for TKOG2. One of you guys might be taking this truck home. As you guys seen, we just got this truck fully painted by a Leading Edge Collision and it came out really clean. Also, Speedy Headliners came in clutch and did the whole interior, so special shout out to them for getting it done. Also want to thank Summer Trucking Madness for having us. We took top 75. We're proud that we're bringing out some nice builds out here. Top 75, there was a lot of trucks out here, so we're super excited to get something like this for TKOG2. Yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. Hit that subscribe. Remember, we're on a go to hit 5,000 subscribers here pretty soon, and once we do, we're gonna be doing some giveaways. $100 in cash or $200 in merch. Hit the subscribe right now, like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.